So here's one of my mix and match outfits. These are, the red are like stretch jeggings, not quite jeans, not quite leggings, so they're comfortable and they'll be comfy to walk around and ride in the car. And then this shirt here is a long sleeve, just a cotton poly blend. It came with a black tank top underneath it. And then my little $7 Walmart scarf. I only bought it because it matched with, I felt like it matched with these boots and the black sweater. So my idea with all my outfits is if it's warm or if I get hot, I've got the tank top and the long sleeve shirt. If it's chillier, I'll put this sweater over and then have the scarf as accent. And these are the boots, which are waterproof, just really comfy kind of boot to wear. So that is one outfit, and then another one to change up with this while still wearing the red pants and probably these brown boots is a different scarf. I know it's not a huge change, but if I have my jacket on anyway, the scarf will look like a whole new outfit. Alright, that's one outfit.